People keep on telling us to be consistent this, consistent that, but they never actually tell us on how to actually be consistent. I mean, what are going to be the practical step-by-step guide on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I have a more than 200 days straight 5 to 10 morning push-up streak, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. And I also want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I show up every single day and rehearse on my live stream. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So yeah, basically this video is going to contain zero motivation and 100% practical guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing something. So even on the days when you do not feel like you wanted to be doing your thing, you are still going to be going anyway. And hey, if somebody actually managed to implement the things that we are talking about on this video for at least 7 days consistently, well, we will take that as a win. So hey, this is July 7th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 364 of consistently helping people build consistency. So on today's video, we are going to be talking about the concept of positive reinforcement and how this concept of positive reinforcement can help us stay consistent in doing our thing. So what is positive reinforcement, right? It is basically the concept that says that, hey, if after we do some certain specific behavior, we get rewarded, we get some good feelings after we do that specific behavior, well then the probability of us repeating the same behavior again in the future is going to be higher. So you can basically just look it up on Google, just search B.F. Skinner rat experiment positive reinforcement. So basically, this experiment found that whenever a rat pulls down a lever and then the rat got rewarded after it pulls the lever, well then the probability of the rat pulling down the lever again on the future is going to be higher. So basically, this is one example of positive reinforcement, and basically we are going to be also applying the same principle in our consistency building journey. So we reward ourselves every single time we actually manage to show up to do the thing that we want to be consistent at, in order to make the probability of us repeating the same behavior again in the future higher. Okay? So basically, I think there are going to be two types of positive reinforcement when we talk about consistency building. One, the ones that comes naturally, and two, the ones that we actually actively trying to bring. Okay, so we are basically going to be talking about the first type of positive reinforcement first, the ones that comes naturally, right? So this is going to look like setting a daily goal that you want to be consistent at. For example, 5 minutes of reading a book, and actually manage to show up and read 5 minutes of book. We are going to be having this good feeling, okay? Relatively, we are going to be having this good feeling of, oh yeah, I said that I'm gonna be doing something. I actually do that particular thing. We are going to be having this sense of, oh yeah, I have some control over my life. I have some level of maturity to actually manage to walk the talk. Basically, the probability of us actually doing the thing again on the future is going to be higher, because we learn that, hey, actually it feels good to have some control over my life, to have a goal, to say that I'm going to be doing something and actually do that particular thing. We want to feel that sense of self-control again on the future. That's why we also repeat the same behavior again on the future. That's one type of that's one example of the positive reinforcement that comes naturally. The second type, the second example of the positive reinforcement that comes naturally is going to be the results itself. So, for example, you read a book every single day for 5 minutes every single day. You feel like, hey, I'm getting smarter and smarter, and I got more knowledge, and it feels good to have more knowledge and see the progression of my knowledge. And you know what? I also want to experience more growth again, more knowledge again. That's why I'm going to be repeating the same behavior again on the future. But the thing here is that sometimes only using the positive reinforcement that comes naturally isn't enough. We also need to be having the positive reinforcement, the ones that we actively give, purposely give to ourselves. Okay, so what is going to be the example of this? It can be as simple as saying thank you to ourselves every single time we actually manage to do the thing that we say that we are going to be doing. So this is really powerful but simple too. Simple but powerful. Why? Because every single time we actually manage to do the thing that we say that we are going to be doing and say thank you to ourselves, we are going to be thinking, we are going to be feeling that, hey, actually somebody cared about the thing that I do, about the time and the effort that I give to make some positive change in my life. And hey, since somebody cared about the thing that I do, you know what? I'm gonna be repeating again in the future. It feels good to know that somebody actually cared about the thing that I do. Okay? And the more that I mature, right, the more I realize that, hey, actually, I need to be my own biggest supporter. And one of the ways is to basically, just appreciating myself for doing the right thing. Because hey, other people are not going to be always be there to give me the appreciation that I wanted. But comparatively, I'm always here. I always have the control to say thank you to myself, to appreciate myself every single time I do the right thing. Okay, I'm always here for myself, and you also need to be always there to yourself. Okay, always appreciate yourself for doing the right thing. So basically, the main takeaway of this video is we are going to be making our brain think that, hey, you know what? Doing these positive things, kind of hard sometimes, kind of boring sometimes, but at the end of the day, it feels good. Okay? So you know what? I'm just gonna be repeating it again on the future. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Would really appreciate that. Join our Discord. And for today's date authenticity post, today's July 7th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a rock, paper, scissors post last 24 hours. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.